Well, for the record, um, there are no Amexem-Empire nationals in the Kumari-Kandam. There are no Amexem-Empire nationals that domicile in the Cusharappा, not yet. I would like very much to be on the ground in the Cusharappá. Um, we are on the ground in the Chibchas district in South Amexem and in the Guansile district in the South Amexem. We have a handful of households in both. We don't have equipment, material, and supplies on the ground there yet. And I look forward to us getting that moving. Now, when we got operational on the ground in the Azania-Matabele district and the Ab-Zu Southern Rim, I was very clear about saying once we got into that region, that Azania-Matabele is the ball game. And the reason why I said that is because the Azania-Matabele district has the South Atlantis Ocean to her west and the Cush-Harappa Ocean to her east. So you have basically 2.9 billion folks east of the mother continent of Alkebu-lan And Ab.Zu, and about a billion of us west of the mother continent. So once we got operational there, that current fiscal budget law was supposed to issue in law form of us having a deep water fleet. The next fiscal budget law thereafter, and ever since, speaks to the issue of deep water fleets, because we have to have one fleet that operates for the North, Central, and South Amexem by way of the North and South Atlantis Oceans. And we have to have the other fleet that operates in the Cush-Harappa Ocean, basically from Azania all the way out to Cebu-Cavite district in the Greater Asia. The midway point between the two, however, will be Cush-Harappa. So the golden trade of the Moors basically went between Tanzabaru and Mubambe, which is inside of the Cush-Harappa. That's how it was back then when we used to sail our dhows. And we sailed our dhows all the way to the Greater Asia. We did it back then, and on my watch, we're going to do it again. We have been working to fund the equipment material supplies that allow us to survive with the bare minimum infrastructure. And then we advance on to the metalworking, the woodworking, equipment material supplies as we work to get our first vessel in the water. Once we accomplish having our first vessels in the water, we expand our ability to engage in commerce and trade on our own terms. So having a waypoint between the Ab.Zu Southern Rim for the Alkebu-lan And Ab.Zu to get to the Greater Asia, particularly in the Cebu-Cavite district, being operational in Cush-Harappa would be an excellent waypoint along the way. Not to mention the fact that getting operational in the Kenyatta district will also be awesome. We're not in the Kenyatta district yet. I look forward to getting there because that would give another port, if you would, on the Cush-Harappa Ocean, but also at the Cush Sea. And that port could service the Cush Sea area, Mamlaka al-Saud, Persia, could service the Kushite mountain range east, and could also service Cusharappा. So being operational in the Kenyatta district, being operational in additional parts of the South Amexem, being operational underway in Cusharappá, those would be my desired goals to achieve sooner rather than later. And based on the question as it was asked, I think that's probably the best way I could actually answer that question. But we could do with being operational underway on the ground in those different command areas to save lives and improve the quality of lives there locally on the ground and empire-wide is a wonderful gift I'd like for us to be able to experience as one.